Hi everybody, this is a challenge lock put together by Baldiloks. Mystery bitting, as there's no key with it. It's a 5-pin lock originally. Inside tension shallow hook. Put the pick in, give it a rock, and that gives us our initial full set. Binding pins are around the middle somewhere. At least it was last time. Pin 5 set. I'm going to do a lot of work on the tension wrench with this particular lock. Probably, I don't know, serrations maybe on these pins. You know what my guesses are like, though. Sketchy at best. Okay. A few kind of phantom sets there. That kind of horrible clack sound you get sometimes when a pin isn't is kind of binding a bit but not ready to be set. Okay, pin 1. I have to use my get out of jail free card, also known as a Rake. I'm doing for time. I'll give it another few seconds. I take no pleasure in using the rake. I take some pleasure in it, but it's nicer to be able to pick the thing open manually. So right now I'm just going around in rings. So these are up to 3 minutes. Use my old friend the Rake. That persuades it to open. There we go. Alright, let's have a quick look at the inside of this lock. The shell is standard, as far as I can see. Doesn't show up very well on the camera. The core has threaded chambers on 1, 3, 4 and 5. And check out these pins. All sorts of weird and wonderful things here. Got standards in chamber 2. All the other key pins are serrated. You've got a spool in pin 1. Kind of chess piece type pin in 3. One of those kind of inverted cone types in pin 4, and there's another spool in pin 5. All the springs are, I assume they're standard for that lock. So yeah, great lock. Thanks to Baldiloks for putting this together, and thank you for watching. See you next time.